Ghana Constitution ma ujidi se
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ebebo ama Ghana etimi akona.
There are a lot of them, but I think it's basically one of them one. Yebu and Yeguso are local governance.
Okay.
And local governance is very, very, very crucial. Yama centralization no akko too far. And the failure, one of the chapters are dealt with comparing Ghana to Nehemiah, is ability to mobilize all the people for development. So far, na yama your development in our kwakwa say
okay.
And Abai to create the impression say
Ono
baby bibia.
Ye bo toilet we kura se kura just Abai na be bo toilet.
It's completely wrong. And your constitution and spirit no kura kire say saade na no. You see Article 241 section 3 say also subject to this a district assembly shall be the highest political authority in the district and shall have deliberative, legislative and executive powers.
And where was emphasizing Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo inaugural speech? So what the Obama the decentralization. And so yet to Kromon Tokura to Ayajiji under the watch of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ya privatize it as a central government and a jijin Tokura to at the various district level. Then you sit there as a president and tell us, Oba, you will decentralize.
Article 241. Ghana shall have a system of local government and administration which shall, as far as practicable, be decentralized. 242 to ensure the accountability of local government authorities, people in particular local government areas shall, as far as practicable, be afforded the opportunity to participate effectively in their governance. Now, now I say, Ababe can say, my busawaha, active participation of chiefs in the district assembly. No, they are not actively part of it. And now, you are also expecting, said the district assembly shall be the body, the body with the highest political authority in the district with powers to make bylaws, etc., does not include the people with the highest traditional authority in the land. And Rameko, development committee, and yet their deliberations in the unit committee for nominal assembly for more power. So no plans any the person or yen any way say no what you say there's a problem. Or what a chief shall not take part in active party politics, and any chief wishing to. What I'm arguing is a person shall not be eligible to be a member of parliament if he is a chief. Membership of district assembly and also assemblymen and women, non-partisan members of parliament, then the chief executive is appointed by the president. Then other members of the district assembly, 30%, and so you are appointed by the president. So if you are talking about people gathering to think about Omo district and how the district must develop, now Ahemfono don't have a part in it. So and only and Sasisema can you still no or tongue and Sasino Nikoneba. And you know you're responsible for school a year a one honor. Because and no they are buying and an idea. You see the whole concept of a buying map discuss on my book winning baby a free buy. A buying is fortress.
Yeah.
And they buy the person in that fortress, and a colonial government, And to them say for to you say Bronia Juma Mama Yebia Fako. So we think that I buy a foreign or you'll be no ababi dear and so. And Chromatam, he was trying to change that into self-government. Mama, you to a lot of choral music and money are there. More men who hear Ghana. Unfortunately, the whole thing has turned around. Why would you expect? Say, well, you know, when you chromo, it's not responsible for mobilizing and crop for some by a toilet. How do you expect to say, yeah, time? If a Drew Brunya park a wohono, chromo for no beji park no habo ball near the other. Now you come in and say, government project bako be de AstroTurf for young people. If you do one was mimi chromo crofa and a quick room no AstroTurf be na akwa. And you are not bringing a situation or hinenu betimi aye those days na local for na agigi dampo. You couldn't travel from Krofa and Mekumasi Awunkura with dampo sika. You have Sanyama when me na Mwatuagu. I have bring a certain kind of, so we have not been able to merge traditional rule and rule. No, say traditional rule must sit somewhere. That's why they can now bring in and say me say nyem ponchi waha because me bosom ne say on pen ponchi biya waha. And yet you are trying to encourage people say omunko down to the grassroots. No munko development. Why 30% of the people ever assembly no present in a one. One one say you see a chief executive. The president promised say Obama yetimia debe aye ne yetimia ye chief executive. We should be a reform in our constitution. Obiani wa opese oye because obia pese power na e dey man free zone. I have been a presiding member before.
I see.
I was Jaso. Asante Achim SAP. Na me a presiding member. Na me kwa ya ni the way I omoye near na after one term. Na me no, I thought I could move from Krofa and Mababa, but the way I'm here there, I'll go back and help my own situation instead of wasting my time here. I didn't yet. So that this is chief executive no atihono. The only way of betting me what is his link with Penifona a one crime. As presiding member, quite war, meme their district where you don't know anything about it. Why is it that the Antiminia system one year what down there? Yeah, district chief executive. District chief executive near him for be represented. Ababe meeting. Yakwania a wahanyina you say, prioritize it. A few way betting me a quan way to be entrained. Now you sit there until and so that the government can concentrate on a near Markesia. Until you withdraw a election say sapiti all over the place. Sapiti a quania him say we are not doing it well. Why are we not having a system? Your constitution be BMU. Ama the people will hold accountable the DCE for near because I'm not plan album. And you are saying in the constitution that this assembly is the deliberative and whatever unit of the country. Yayama and Yamana aya basa. So nobody is mobilizing the country for development.